recording. Okay. Type number 2. On page number 8, the equation of the type A P of x plus B by P of x equals to 0. Sorry, equals to C. This is our second type. What we have solved or is replaced? We replace P of x equals to y. It will be clear when we solve question. Okay. Open your book, page number 11, exercise 1.3. Page number 11, question number 6. What is our first question? Question number 6. Question number 6 is 2x squared plus 1 plus 3 by 2x squared plus 1 equals to 4. Here we replace or substitute or suppose replace 2x squared plus 1 equals to y. When we replace, what will be the solution or result of this equation? Here we replace y and here we replace y. So it becomes y plus 3 by y equals to 4. Is it clear to everyone?
सर ये एक दफा दोबारा बताएं सर.
It's the next type of a question in which we replace singular term, that is x square plus 1 is replaced by y. Okay?
Okay, by taking LCM, we have y squared plus 3 equals to y. Now this y will multiply by 4 because here it's divide. So we have y squared plus 3 equals to 4 times y. Now we rearrange it, y squared minus 4y plus 3 equals to 0. We use midterm break or factorization method to solve. What is midterm break? Yes, 3y minus y plus 3 equals to 0. We take 2y common here. We can take y common from here and we have y minus 3 minus from here and or minus 1 from here and we have y minus 3 equals to 0. Now we have y minus 3 into y minus 1 equals to 0. Y minus 3 equals to 0 or y minus 1 equals to 0. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now in next step, from equation number 1, y equals to 3, sorry, y minus 3 equals to 0, y equals to 3. Now, what is the value of y? We replace y equals to 2x square plus 1. So we replace y by 2x square plus 1 equals to 3. After replacing, we just calculate 2x square equals to 3 minus 1, which is equals to 2. 2x square. X square equals to 2 by 2, which is equals to 1. X square equals to 1 and x equals to plus minus 1. Now, from equation number 2, what is equation number 2? Y minus 1 equals to 0. Y minus 1 equals to 0. So, y equals to 1. Again, we replace y by 2x square plus 1 equals to 1. And after simplifying, 2x square equals to 1 minus 1. Cancel out and we have 2x square equals to 0. X square equals to 0 by 2 and answer is 0. By taking square root, we have just 0. So what is our solution set? Solution set is plus minus 1 and 0. This is our solution and answer. Do you have any problem? Then ask me. Is it clear to everyone?
Yeah.
Okay, just substitution is difficult. When you substitute, then it will convert it into quadratic equation, and you can solve by factorization or by completing square. It's up to you which method is easy for
सर
you.
ये आखिरी
ये आप तक है कि आपके लिए कौन सा मेथड इजी आप उसे फॉलो कर सकते हैं. ओके, नो वी मूव ऑन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Here we have question number 7. What is question number 7? X by x minus 3 plus 4 into x minus 3 by x equals to 4. What we replace? We replace y equals to x by x minus 3 or 1 by y equals to x minus 3 by x. By taking reciprocal, if y equals to x by x minus 3, then 1 by y equals to x minus 3 by x. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, when we replace, we have what we have y plus 4 into 1 by y equals to 4, and we have y equals y plus 4 by y equals to 4. Now, by taking LCM, we have y square plus 4 equals to 4y. This y, sorry, not 4y. this y multiplied by 4 and we have y square plus 4 equals to 4y. Y square minus 4y plus 4 equals to 0. Further, you can solve it by yourself. Is it clear to everyone? You can factorize and then back substitution. No one? On करना mic. Further, you can solve it by yourself. You can do it or not.
Yes, sir.
Umar,
Sir,
You can solve it or not.
Umar, what is your question?
Okay, I solve it. Y square minus 2y plus 4 equals to 0. By taking y common here, we have y minus 2. Minus 2 from here, we have y minus 2 equals to 0. And then here we have y minus 2 common. Y minus 2 into y minus 2 equals to 0. Y minus 2 equals to 0 or y minus 2 equals to 0. This is 1 and this is 2. On next page, y minus 2 equals to 0 and or y minus 2 equals to 0 are same. So we have same answers. So either we solve this one or this one. Only one equation we solve because these two are same equation. So what we have to do? From 1 or 2, y minus 2 equals to 0, y equals to 2. What we have? Substitute. We substitute y equals to x by x minus 3. X by x minus 3 equals to 2. Multiply by this, we have x equals to 2 times x minus 3, 2x minus 6. Now, we shift x from here to here and 6 from here to here. So we have, after shifting, 6 equals to 2x minus x. And then we have x equals to 6. So solution set is 6. This is your solution. Okay. Question number 8 and 9 are same. You can solve it by yourself or not. Skip कर देंगे.
Question number 8.
Page number 11, 8 and 9 are similar. You can do it by yourself or not. आप इन्हें सॉल्व कर सकते हैं या नहीं?
सर 9 नहीं कर सकते सर, 9 मुश्किल है.
ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9.
कर सकते.
ओके माय डियर. वॉल्यूम ऑन. Question number 9. X minus a by x plus a minus x plus a by x minus a equals to 7 by 12. What is suppose or replace? Replace x minus a by x plus a equals to y. This implies x plus a by x minus a equals to 1 by y. Then we have new form. What is our new form? New form is y minus 1 by y equals to 7 by 12. By taking LCM, we have y square minus 1 equals to 7 by 12. By cross multiplication, we have 12 times x square, not x square, 12 times again y square minus 1 equals to 7 times y, 12y square minus 12 equals to 7y, 12y square minus 7y minus 12 equals to 0. Factors. What will be the factors of this term? 12 into 12, we have 144. Any student can tell me the factor of this? We have
Sir, 4 and 3.
into
4 and 3.
9, 144 and 16 minus 16 plus 9, we have minus 7. So, what will be the midterm break? 12y square, 12y square minus 16y plus 9y minus 12 equals to 0. What we can take common from here? And from here, we take 4y, we left 3y minus 4. From here, we take 3, and we have 3y minus 4 equals to 0. Next, 3y minus 4 is same. 3y minus 4, we have 4y plus 3 equals to 0. Okay, we have 3y minus 4 equals to 0 and 4y plus 3 equals to 0. On next page, three y minus 4 equals to 0, or second is 4y plus 3 equals to 0. 3y equals to 4, y equals to 4 by 3, equation number 1. 4y equals to minus 3, y equals to minus 3 by 4, equation number 2. Now what we have to replace? Replace x minus a by x plus a equals to y. X minus a by x plus a equals to 4 by 3. Back substitution? No. By cross multiplication? We have 3 times x minus a, 4 times x plus a. We have 3x minus 3a, 4x plus 4a. Now we shift 3x from here to here and 4a from here to here. What we have? Minus 4a minus 3a equals to 4x minus 3a. After this, we have minus 7a equals to x. This is our first answer. And by replacing x minus a by x plus a here, we have minus 3 by 4. By cross multiplication, what we have? We have 4 times x minus a equals to minus 3 times x plus a, 4x minus 4a minus 3x minus 3a. Again, we switch minus 3x from here to here and minus 4a from here to here. We have 4x plus 3x equals to 4a minus 3a. And what will be the answer? 7x equals to a, x equals to a by 7. So solution set is minus 7a and a by 7. This is a. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
What's the question? Mohammed Rafi.
Yes, sir.
What's your question?
Yes, sir. Clear हो गया sir.
यस सर क्लियर हो गया
Clear to everyone?
यस सर
Next question.
Type number type number 3 on page number 9. Reciprocal equation of the type equations of the type a into x square plus 1 by x square plus b into x plus 1 by x plus c equals to 0, or ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus bx plus a equals to 0. Here you can see that a same, b same. So from starting first term coefficient of x4 is a and last term is a. First and last term have same constant value, coefficient or constant value. Similarly, in third and second last we have same b and b, or like this we have type number 3. So question number 7 is related to, not question number 7, question number 10 is related to type number 3. What is question? Question number 10. Question number 10 is x power 4 minus 2x cube minus 2x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. After writing question, solution, we divide this equation by x squared. Why x squared? Because here we have x power 4. The half of 4 is 2. So we divide whole equation by x power 2. To rearrange type number 3, divide equation by x squared. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
The question is that 4 minus 2x cube minus 2x square plus 2x plus 1. It's a reciprocal equation. How to solve such type of reciprocal equation? We divide with the x square, then we solve it. It's clear to everyone? It's clear to everyone?
Is it clear to everyone? Okay. There is no problem. So we move further. x4 by x square minus 2x cube by x square minus 2x square by x square plus 2x by x square plus 1 by x square equals to 0. By cancel out, x square cancel by power 4, x square cancel by power 3, x square by x square, we have here power 1 and just okay. What we have left? We left with x square minus 2x minus 2 plus 2 by x plus 1 by x square. Here we have same coefficients 2, 2, 1 and 1. So we combine this term with this term and this term with this term. It's 2. Now x square plus 1 by x square minus 2x square not 2x square, 2x plus x square plus 1 by x square minus 2x plus 2 by x minus 2 equals to 0. Here we have x square plus 1 by x square. By taking minus 2 common, x minus 1 by x minus 2 equals to 0. What we have to do? Okay, we move on next page. X square plus 1 by x square minus 2 by x and minus 2 equals to 0. We suppose or let or replace x minus 1 by x by y. By taking square on both sides, we have x minus 1 by x whole square equals to y square, x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 equals to y square. We use formula a minus b whole square equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab here. After this, we have shift 2 from here to here. We have x square plus 1 by x square equals to y square plus 2. So we have the value of x minus 1 by x and we have the value of x square plus 1 by x square. After replacing x square plus 1 by x square by y square plus 2 minus 2 times y minus 2 equals to 0. Now y square plus 2 minus 2y minus 2 equals to 0. We cancel plus 2 by minus 2, plus 2 by minus 2 and we have y square minus 2y equals to 0. By taking y common, we have y minus 2 equals to 0, y equals to 0 or y minus 2 equals to 0 or y equals to 2. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now we replace y by x minus 1 by x equals to 0 or x minus 1 by x equals to 2. This is equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. We solve further. We have x minus 1 by x equals to 0 by taking LCM. X square minus 1 equals to 0. When this is multiplied by 0, it becomes 0 and x square equals to 1, x equals to plus minus 1. Further we have x minus 1 by x equals to 2. It may be, I checked, okay, 2. Now again taking LCM, when this multiplied by this, we have x square minus 1 equals to 2x, x square minus 2x minus 1 equals to 0. By midterm break, what will be the midterm break? Is it possible? We add minus 2, multiply minus 1. No, we use quadratic formula to solve this. How can we solve? What is quadratic formula? X equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. By replacing the value of, what is the value of a? A is equals to 1, b equals to minus 2 and c equals to minus 1. So we replace minus b or b with minus 2, minus into minus 2 plus minus square root minus 2 square minus 4. A means 1 and c means minus 1. हाँ रहना था divided by 2a is 1. X equals to plus 2 plus minus 4 minus minus plus 4 divided by 2, and we have 2 plus minus 8 by 2, and we may write 2 plus minus 4 into 2 square root divided by 2. On next, we have x equals to 2 plus minus 4 dot 2 square root divided by 2 plus minus 2 will come outside. When it come outside, we have 2 square root 2 divided by 2 by taking 2 common. By cancel out, we have 1 plus minus square root 2 by x. So what is the solution set? Solution set is x equals to plus minus 1 and 1 plus minus square root 2. Is it clear to everyone? Now our lecture is end. Any question and answer?
सर ये क्वेश्चन का सर बीच वाला फिर समझा देंगे सर?
कौन से वाला?
सर इससे बीच वाला पार्ट जिसमें सर आपने लेट किया था x minus 1 over x equals y.
कौन सा पार्ट?
In between of the question, we only replace the value which by originally left from the starting and then solving it step by step.
Here?
जी सर जी.
Beta, we just replace the smaller value as y. Here we have xk by xk, and we have here x power 1 minus 1 by x. What is the smaller value?
x minus
X
1 over
minus 1 by x. So we replace x minus 1 by x equals to y. We simplify to find the value of y square, not y square, x square plus 1 by x square. So we taking square on both sides, x minus 1 by x whole square equals to y square. Expand formula, x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 equals to y square, and we have x square plus 1 by x square equals to y square plus 2. Is it clear?
जी सर.
Okay. Any other question?
No sir.
Okay, my dear. Then Allah Hafiz. Inshallah, we will meet tomorrow. Have a nice day.
Okay, sir. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, beta.